Good afternoon, folks. We're going to do the Rolling Stones. Honky Tonk Woman. I met a gentle ballroom queen in Memphis. She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. She had to hit me right across her shoulder, 'cause I just can't seem to drink you off my mind. It's a honky tonk woman. Oh, give me the honky tonk blues. I laid a divorcee in New York City. I had to put up some kind of a fight. The lady then she covered me in roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's a honky tonk woman. Oh, give me the honky tonk blues. Oh yeah. It's a honky tonk woman. Give me